Good evening, and welcome to Masterpiece. There. Tonight's production has been brought to you by the Society for Fine Dining, the International Association of Mine Workers, and viewers like you. Thank you. Tonight we bring you a work of most shattering and heartbreaking brilliance, Piglet, by Madrigal Sheila. A prequel to what some have called the greatest work in all English language. Well, I'm off then. Where's the damn loo? That way? That way? Thank you. Oh, sweet breath, hey Bertha, mistress to my heart, turnkey to my loins. Does the mirage of grief cloud my eye, or do I see a true representation of your very tolerable visage? Forsooth, my dear Lord Reinhold, dost thou not recognize thy amorous lily pad? Blah, 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 blah. 'Tis your succulent Egbertha. What? Risen from the grave?
It's ready. It's ready, Mrs. Swanson.
Finally. What took you so long?
They were still working on it when I got there, Mrs. Swanson.
As long as you're still not paying for it?
No, we don't have to. They're just going to let us test it out, and then we have to bring it back the day after the performance.
Fair enough, fair enough. Well, come on, show me how this thing works. This is going to be our ghost, eh?
That's right, Mr. Swanson. It looks so real.
We are going to take this by storm. They've never seen anything like this on the stage before. It's going to knock the goddess right off the royal family. It's my bloody, beautiful ghost of Egbertha.
Ain't Bertha supposed to be a woman, Mr. Swanson? Why didn't we just ask for a ghost that looks like a woman?
You can't act on stage, Gilbert.
Guess not. No, it's quite amazing, Mr. Swanson. I can't put my finger on it.
It's a perfect ghost.
This
Behold.
ghost reminds me of something, Mr. Swanson.
The deathly pallor, the sunken eyes, the mournful presence, the ragged, stale smell of the netherworld. Tell me how it works.
Oh, it sure is cool, Mr. Swanson. Look, we can control it with this device. Okay, with this device, I can make it move. I can make it talk.
Ah!
And I can make it look. And then it can even become invisible.
Come down here, Dick. Ready to go.
It's right here, Mr. Swanson. It's selective invisibility.
Oh! I'll be damned. Technology. Gilbert,
sweet words of adoration betwixt thine apologies. 'Tis your succulent and birth.
What? Risen from the grave?
Indeed, I have returned. Thy piddling manhood needs suffer the restrictions of thy hand no longer.
What?
It looks like the king!
The King of Denmark?
Yes,
Okay, turn it off. Just take it off.
yes, King Henry.
King Henry,
I'm telling you.
I don't see it. Now be quiet and let's do it again.
Oh, Mr. Swanson,
What?
can we just try something for a second? Look, and I promise I'll drop it right after. Can we just change the mode for a second so I can show you what I mean by looking like King Hamlet?
What are you talking about?
Look. I'll change it to Murder King mode. And then it looks and acts like the Murder King.
My hour is almost come, when I to sulphurous and tormenting flames must render up myself.
What?
I am King Hamlet's spirit, doomed for a certain term to walk the night, and for the day confined to fast and fires, till the foul crimes done in my days of nature are burnt and purged away.
What's it doing?
I don't.
What's going on?
But that I am forbid to tell the secret of my prison house, I could unfold a tale whose lightest word would harrow up thy soul, freeze thy young blood, make thy two eyes like stars start from their spheres, thy knotted and confined